Assalamu alaikum, boys and girls. Welcome to the second session of integers, or second video of your mathematics subject, integers. Okay, so in the last video we had discussed about how to draw or how to represent the integers addition on the number line. Yes, we did this, we had finished this. Okay, let me revise one more time and move on further. So actually we had seen so many examples for addition, right? So how to uh, plot these the kind of additions on your number line. Okay, so let me revise it quickly, students. What if you want to plot just your number, it is given 5, first number, so just go to the number 5, start from the number 5. Then if it is plus, you need to move forward, and if it is minus, next number you need to move backward, right? So now you are at 5, it is given number plus 2, right? So you need to move forward 2 steps. So this becomes 5 plus 1 6, and this 7. So this is your 5 plus 2 on the number line, right? So the questions in your test may be asked to you, they'll ask you to solve plot your addition, integer addition on the number line. So you need to plot like this. Okay, and also we had seen for minus also. Here it is 5 plus minus 2 they have given. So what you'll do, you will first go to number 5, right? Yeah, this was for different exam. Okay, so first given number is 5. Yeah, you need to start from 5. Okay, and it is given minus 2, so move back 2 steps. So 1 2, so 3 is your answer, right? So this is 5 plus minus 2 plotting. Okay, now tell me, students, what if your equation is given something like this? Okay, instead of addition, if they are giving you minus in between, how you are going to do this? Okay, before that, let me take this example as well. Okay, this is 9 plus minus 3. So what you should do, just go towards the number 9. Okay, now decide where to move, whether forward or backward. So since here it is given minus 3, how you'll go, students? You will move backward. How many steps? 3 steps. So from 9, move back 3 steps. 1 2 3. So your answer should be 6. Okay, according to the graphical this number line representation, it is 6. Let us calculate by using the rules, integer rules. So you have 9. Okay, it is given what plus and 1 is minus. So what is the rule for this? You need to, yes, subtract, right? So subtract the weights of these two numbers, that is 9 minus 3. How much? It is 6. Okay, now what is the sign you need to give now? This integer sign of the largest number. So between 9 and 3, 9 is the largest number and it is having the sign plus. So you'll give the sign plus to the output. So it is plus 6 from graphical from number line, and from your calculation according to the rules of integer, it is same. So now if the given equation, that is subtraction is given now instead of addition, how are you going to plot? See, whenever such kind of equations are given to plot on the this number line, what you do is, the best way is, you need to first convert this sign into plus and then go for plotting. Okay, how are you going to do that? It's the easy way is to convert this into addition and then plot, right? Okay, so it's so that you will not get confused and all the rules will remain same. Okay, see, this for this converting any equation into addition, how you'll do is, the first number should be as it is. Okay, now we are converting into addition now, and the second number given, this is what it is, plus 3, right? So convert, write this number same, just opposite of the sign given, so it is minus 3. Okay, this, in this way you are converting 6 minus 3 equation nothing but as 6 plus of minus 3. These two are same, one and the same. Okay students, when we do the next example again it will be clear for you. Now let us plot, first let us plot this on the number line. It's again very easy, the same one what we did before. So first number is 6, come to the number 6 on the number line. Okay, and then it is minus 3. So minus 3 means you need to move backward. How many steps? 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3. So your answer is 3. Okay, so 6 plus minus 3 is nothing but your answer is 3. You can check out with the normal calculation also. Okay, let's take one more example and let's plot that on the number line. Okay, now suppose your question given is something like this: 6 minus of minus 3, this one. Okay, so according to rule, how you are converting this sign into plus? First, this first number should be the same. Okay, you take plus sign, and second number is what, the same, but the sign is opposite. Here it is minus, so it becomes plus here. So your equation, this is not equal to what? 6 minus of minus 3 is nothing but 6 plus 3. Okay, now plot on the graph. It's again very easy. Now come to your number 6, first number is 6 on the number line, and how many steps you need to move forward? Since it is plus here, move forward how many? 3. 1, 2 and 3. So your answer will be 9. You want to check with the rules. So since it is plus and plus plus, so addition, adding 6 plus 3 is what? 9. And the sign of the bigger number, that is plus, it is plus 9. So according to calculations and according to number line, it is same. Okay, let's see one more example, students, so that it should be very clear to you all. Okay, now if I take an example like minus 9, so minus 9 minus of minus 1. Okay, so according to rule, what, take the first number as it is, this is minus 9 as it is, and we wanted to change the sign, isn't it, to plus. So plus is taken, and the second number is same, but the sign of the second number is taken opposite. So here it is minus, so we have taken plus 1. Okay, so minus 9 minus of minus 1, it is same as minus 9 plus of plus 1. Okay, now plotting again, it is easy now. So come on to first number is what? Minus 9. Okay, so minus 9 is here, and how many steps you need to move forward or backward? Since it is plus 1, okay, minus 9 plus 1. So number 9 we have come here, and one step moving forward. So your answer is minus 8. Okay, so it's very simple, students. In order to avoid any kind of confusion, just convert the equation or the given subtraction problem into addition, then go for plotting of on the number line. Okay, so now we are totally done with the addition, adding and subtracting of integers with the normal rules. Okay, using all these rules, and also by using the number line. Okay, how to plot it, plot the addition or subtraction on the number line. Okay, we have seen this. Now what are the rules for multiplication and division? You need to just see those rules now. Let's see that. So if you have numbers which are positive, okay, the output number will be the positive. If you have negative, the also output will be in terms of positive. Okay, for example, for multiplication of plus 3 and plus 2, okay, the output sign 3 multiplying 3 and 2 is 6, 3 to 6, sign will be positive. If you are multiplying minus 3 to minus 2, then what? It is again plus 6. Okay, so remember, if you have two signs for multiplication or division, your output will be again positive. Okay, and if suppose for both multiplication and division, if one number is plus and the other number is minus, so your output will be minus. Okay, so let's take example here. This is plus 3 and this is minus 2. Answer is 6 only, but the sign is what? It is going to be minus. Okay, the same manner, if we are taking this as minus 3 and this as plus 2, what is your output? It is minus 6. Okay, so just remember this rule. If we have both the sign both are same, okay, positive and negative, then in multiplication output will be positive, and multiplication and division also. So, and if it is one is positive and the other is negative, or minus and plus, so output will be negative. When we do the problems, you will get used to it and it will be clear for you all. Okay, let's move on how to plot on number lining. Okay, on number line, how we are going to plot multiplication of integers. Okay, see, we have we have one example, 4 times of 3 in this. Okay, 4 times of 3. So always in multiplication you will start with 0. Alright, so what we are doing is we are hopping 4 times. Okay, the first number we are taking for hopping is this. Okay, we are hopping 4 times with how many steps? Jumping or hopping with of 4 times, which is each hop or each step is of 3. Okay, see this 1, 2 and 3. So we are hopping 4 times, okay, times 3. Alright, students? If suppose now they have asked you, the equation is supposed like this: 4 cross minus 3. How you will do this? Since it is minus 3, first this is for hopping 4 times. Okay, so we are hopping 4 times with step 3, but here it should be on the left side because it is minus 3. Okay, since here it was plus 3, we are hopping in the positive direction. Okay, here since it is minus, we are hopping in the negative directions. You can note here it is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and so on. Since we want, it is very big, we have not represented all the positive and negatives in the single one. Okay, so here it can be minus 2, minus 3, and so on. Alright, students, I hope you understood this. Again, it's very easy. Multiplication, normally they don't ask you much for the number line, because it gives you very long number line if you go for the big number. It is same for addition and subtraction as well. Okay, if you want me to take one more example, one more example, let's take, it is 5 into minus 4. So first let's do with the normal rules of multiplication. So 5 is plus number, okay, and this is minus. So plus minus, your output sign will be what? Minus. Okay, so your output will be minus. 5 into 4 is 5 fours is 20. Okay, according to our calculations, it is answer is minus 20. Let's plot it on the number line. So where you are starting from number 0. Okay, so how many hops jumps you are doing? You need to do 5 jumps with 4 steps. Okay, and since it is minus, so you are moving back. The same rule as we have seen for the addition or subtraction. Okay, but the difference is here you're hopping. Since it is multiplication, you're jumping 5 times with 4 steps, 4 this thing in it. Okay, so since it is minus, we are hopping 5 steps with each step in it of 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 5 hopping jumps we are doing with each 4 steps in it. Okay, so this is how you are going to use the number line for multiplication. Students, let's stop here for today, and in the next video, inshallah, let me discuss about do some problems on division. Okay, I will take division and some maybe on multiplication. Okay, and we will have to learn properties, okay, of integers for add, subtract, and multiplication and division. Okay, so let's meet online and discuss many more examples for with the integer numbers for all these operations. Okay, if you have any doubts, feel free to just ask me online or anytime. Okay, until then we meet on the Zoom meeting. I'll take off from you all. Assalamu alaikum.